Nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa Pinoy Sound Radio with DJ Des Pandacan with Nikki. Alright. O, ayan, natatawa sila. Alam niyo ba, natatawa ako kanina pa Dahil talaga yung pinag-uusapan namin yung sili. Yung iba, sabi, Des, hindi ko kaya kumain yan kasi natatakot ako yung wet box ko baka mag-pump. No, hindi kasi may mga benefits naman talaga ang sili, no? So, pwede naman i-share din sa atin maybe yung mga ilang benefits ng sili. Literal na sili na kinakain, ha? Mamaya na yung pag-uusapan natin yung siling-sili ka na ba talaga. Ganon. Yan. All right. So now we talk about Nikki. Can you give us some ideas and benefits of eating chili because you are a chili monster?
Chili monster. It's good for the health because it does. It's good for the health because it does clean the system. It does flush out all those toxins. Really, a lot of Mexicans eat a lot of chili in the diet, and we tend to live a long time. We even had aunts and uncles who lived up to be 90.
Wow, that's amazing. Wow, talaga. Ganun katindi, no? Sobrang na-amaze ako doon. And every time po na talagang yung sili. Actually, ako personally kung kayo po hindi na pupuk, no? Hindi kayo pupuk, hindi regular yung pag-poop ninyo, ay yung paggawa nyo ng work soup. Maganda din po sa kagawa yung pagkain ng sili. Kasi, talagang tuloy sinabi ni Miggy, yung digestion natin, no? Mas lumuluwag siya. So, yun nga lang, huwag lang susobra. Kasi pagka sumobra ka naman, talagang mananakit ang wet box mo sa pagkain ng sili. Yeah, totoo yan. Sobra. Kaya ako ano ko yan na-experience ko din talaga yan. I guess, sabi ko, please, 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 no to chili, no to chili this. But when I started, like, feeling, oh, this is good. So, basta lang, tandaan ninyo, nasa tama lang ang pagkain ninyo. Parang tamang tao lang yan So, siling-sili na ba kayo para sa tamang tao, para sa buhay ninyo? Ayan, ako, palakpakan para sa mga tao. Okay, so let's talk about chili relationship. Maanghang, chili and sweet relationship, maybe. Are you excited?
Chili and sweet relationship?
Yes, it's like having sometimes chili, relationship is like chili.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's hot. Sometimes it's like throwing away or something like that. So as a Mexican, as a foreign, there's a lot of people, especially the Filipinos and Filipinas around the world, they experience having a relationship with a foreigner. So do you have any advice to all the listeners of Pinoy Song Radio on how to cope up with the wrong relationship? Have you tried? Did you ever try to experience and have a wrong relationship? Any of us?
The wrong relationship I experienced because I became not lactose, but reflux, acid reflux. Even though when I was younger, I was able to eat so much chili, but as I got older, my chemistry changed. So you want to avoid eating too much for those who have acid reflux because it can increase the acid. So I would say for chili, go mild. Don't go too spicy or too mild. Just in between would be the best thing to do.
Alright, yan po, sige, yan siya ha. Yun. Kagaya ng sinabi ni Miggy, wag masyado kasi pag sili ang kinain mo, asin talagang yung acid reflux kasi parang relasyon din yun. Pag acid reflux, pag sumusobra sa acid, nag-blow up. Nagiging hassle na nagiging masama na dun sa katawan. Like your relationship. So, maybe, can I ask you, because chili is like a relationship sometimes. So, you can compare, they're gonna have the bad effects and good effects, like chili. So, having a relationship before, your relationship with a man and woman relationship at your past. So, do you have any chili relationship with your past? So how did you cope with that? How did you cope up?
Sometimes it can be very sweet. Sometimes it can be very spicy and dangerous.
Oh wow.
Dangerous.
Maybe how did you find it's dangerous?
The way I found it's dangerous when you make it too hot. You don't want to make it too hot that you can't taste the food. I know a lot of people like Thai food, but usually I used to have Thai food with like extremely hot. But after a while, when it's really hot, you don't taste the food. You're just tasting the chili, and you're just basically burning out your gut.
Oh my gosh. That's it. Yeah, it is always on the bad side of cheat. Like cheat. I think he had a bad relationship here. That's why he just wanted to throw it away. Hey, chilly relationship. Sometimes you're sweet, sometimes you're hot, but definitely you're dangerous. Yes, so dapat ganun talaga. Kaya yung mga past ninyo, kung chilling-chilling naman kayo, gusto niyo talaga ma-inlove, para kayong sili, nasisilihan. Lalong yung iba habang kumakain po kayo ng sili, sinasama sa pagkain ninyo, parang mas ginaganahan kayo, di ba? Ganun po minsan. Ayan, mas ginaganahan kayo pagka kumakain kayo ng sili. Kaya kapag arehas nyo, ganan-gana kayo sa sili. Dapat din naman, hot na hot kayo, in a way, na talagang minamanage ninyo yung relationship ninyo, na hindi lang puro sweet honey, something like that. So, kailangan i-pamper din nyo sometimes, at saka dapat po maging balance, kagaya ng pagkain namin ng sili. So, balance lang siya, isang sweet, isang as in sobrang okay, diba? Alright, Miggy, so yeah, is there anything you want
Yeah,
to say?
I like to say when excuse me, when chili is good with sweet, it's actually Mexican tamarind candy has chili with it. It's sweet and it's spicy. The tamarind candy from Mexico.
Wow, yun pala yun. Yeah. Oh, yes. Meron din kami dito sa Philippines. We also have the tamarind, the chili flavor, and some sweet flavor too. So, aside from the chili, sweet, meron din tayong sour taste. Diba? It's sour taste from tamarind. So, ganun din ang relasyon kung sinisili ka, hot na hot ka, may panahon na sweet ka, may panahon naman na sour taste na. Okay, so here's more advice from Miggy about this chili.
So in Mexico, they have this thing called a michelada. They actually put tamarind around the rim. It has tomato, chili. They actually blend it. I think it's very delicious, very refreshing. So I don't know if Jess would ever want to try it one day, but I think it's good. I had some in Mexico City. And one thing I want to say about Mexico City that's different from the rest of Mexico, actually, the word for them is chilangos. They really like their chili spicy, spicy. Actually, when I was there a few years ago, I can only put one drop on the taco. If I was to put a lot, I'd be burning. They actually have a high tolerance for hot, apart from the rest of Mexico.
Wow, yun yung high tolerance na yan. Yun talaga yung mga chili master like Miggy, no? So, Miggy is a certified chili master in Mexico and US. So, here in the Philippines, I hope so. You're gonna be a chili monster one day. But me, I'm just an assistant. Yes. Yan lang yun no? Kasi dapat assistant lang ako. Second lang ako sa master. Kaya kung napapansin po ninyo, no, si Miggy talaga very innocent siya, especially when it comes to relationship, yung siling-sili talaga. Kasi ganun siya ka-chili, ganun siya ka-sweet chili flavor. Yes, so is there something like, how about the beverages? So do you also have the chili flavor for the beverages in Mexico?
That I'm not too much aware. I just can say the michelada, which is a beer.
Mm-hmm.
It's a beer drink.
So
Yeah,
it has a chili.
it has chili. It has tomato juice, chili, tamarind. It's a great combination. It's refreshing. Can be a little bit spicy at the time.
Oh my gosh. Yun. Mm-hmm. So that's it, best in chili. So all in one. It's just like all in one. The taste is different, but I'm longing and I'm looking forward to tasting that kind of stuff.
So one other thing in the United States, there's that it's called a Hanson's organic vodka. They make a vodka infused with pineapple and habanero. So it can make a nice spicy Bloody Mary or a nice spicy screwdriver, which is vodka and orange juice.
Wow. Wow. That sounds so, Now, when it comes to beverages, especially when it comes to wine, vodka, and all, I would say that, hey, madam, can I order some iced tea? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I can really, hindi ako sobrang makarelate minsan sa wine. Actually, si Miggy, talagang wine lover talaga siya. So, talagang tinuturuan niya ako. Kagabi na talaga sobrang I'm boss. Talaga in a small amount of liquor. Talagang mahina yung, wala akong, you call it enzyme para doon sa mga alak. Kaya napaka-safe niyo sa akin. O, di ba? Hindi ko kayo lalasingin. Kasi ayokong malasing. Ganun yun. Pero pag ito si Miggy kasama nyo, ewan ko lang, magkwentuhan kayo sa lahat ng klase ng wine. Grabe. Kasi sobrang laki nung gawaan ng wine nila. May winery yung cousin, yung family member nila dun sa California, sa Napa Valley. So which is sobrang laki. Kasi talagang napakadami nilang wine doon. And hopefully soon maybe makapunta ako dun sa place nila. And talaga i-video ko talaga at mag-vlog ako dun. In fact, kita ko talaga sa inyong lahat. At talagang bonggang-bongga. Pero dati na ako na rin kayo ng bahay. Pero yung mga gusto lang malasing Okay, but before that, okay, so I'm going to play some music before I let you go, di ba? Okay, Miggy, so we're gonna talk a lot more other things aside from food. So we're gonna play this song.
So why should call that? Talk to you, or
Sorry.
people talk to you, or they're just listening? You are recording this, right? Like,
Yeah.
you should talk about the chili with cheese. Tell about that one.
Chili with cheese.
What I showed you that I was make today.
Alright, see.
Want me to cut this out? There's 69 things in it. When they cut it, it starts at around 90.
kahit saan ang Pinoy Song Radio is still with DJ Des Pagdakan together with DJ Vicky. Okay, silig-sili pa rin talaga. Wala itong tigil. Walang awatan dito. Talaga kayo masili na kayo. Bahala kayo kung kumakain man kayo. Habang nagsistress na time, samahin na rin ng sili. Minsan ko rin na rin eh. Kung ako nakagawa ako ng chili garlic sauce, so pwede rin akong gumawa ng homemade na chili juice. No, na may honey. Siguro mas okay yun. Pero one time siguro I'll try. But this time, share na din tayo ni Nikki ng iba pang food. Miggy, I've heard this kind of food that there's a mix of chili and cheese. What this?
That's actually a dish from Michoacan. It's actually called morisqueta. So it's cooked rice. So it's this sauce that's made from salsa. It's garlic, chilies, and tomatoes and onion. And actually, you make the sauce. Then you fry onion in oil. The onions are loosened, you put in the sauce, then you put in it's called a cojita. It's called cojita cheese. It's dry, very salty. You crumble that up, you blend it, you cook it, and it becomes very, very gooey. It has a nice flavor. You put that over rice. It's one of the things they eat in Michoacan, and my mom would make it so many times. It doesn't have to be cheese. It can be pork, it can be beef. It's the salsa sauce that counts. You put that over the rice.
Wow, that's it. Basta pinag-usapan ng cheese. Pabot na pabot. Yes, of course. That's one of my favorite things. Gusto ko kasi yung machi. Yes, yan. Yung machi. Tapos hindi gusto naman niya yung machi. Para kami chili and cheese. yes, that's true. So talaga naman sobrang nakaka-chili flavor talaga yung araw ko. So naaanghang na nga ako eh. Alam niyo ba guys, sobrang itong sumigi, no? Sana mamigmin niyo siya one day. Talagang mahilig siyang magluto. Alam niyo po ba na ang mga Mexican eh talaga namang mahilig sa food. Oh, diba? Hindi lang basta food, ha? And, Nikki, can you tell us about, because there is some listeners, they asked me, okay, DJ Des, how to be, what are the, can you tell us about the, the beautiful traits, the chili traits of Mexican? The character of the Mexican love.
We are hot, spicy, very romantic. Mexicans have the reputation of being hot Latino lovers, seductive, have many girlfriends. But me, I'm totally different. I don't fall into that category. Probably because of the way I was raised, I was Americanized. But the thing is, because I was born in Mexico, raised in the United States, even if I go to Mexico, they look at you, they say your Spanish is funny. So it's a feeling that you call, I'm not from here, and I'm not from there. I'm like in between. Even though I was born in Mexico, but raised in the United States, they look at us funny because our Spanish is funny, because of the accent. They once said to me, oh, you're not from here. Your Spanish is very funny. And I'm sorry if I'm going to say this word, but I say, hey, Indio, at least I can speak 2 languages. You can only speak 1.
Yes, that's it. So, superb itong si Nikki. So, tingnan nyo ha, yung mga Mexicano, parang Pilipino rin yan, makan sila, tapos mapagmahal, diplomatic. Pero marami mga babaero sa tabi-tabi dyan, ha? Nako, mag-ingat-ingat tayo mga Filipina, ha? Kayo, ha? Ingat-ingat. Alam nyo naman na ang gagawin. Kapag na-trace ninyo na may outsider, alam nyo na kung paano ang gagawin. O diba, kung ang chili age mo ay sayong-sayo, eh yan, eh hindi na talaga magiging sayo pag ikaw ay nagloko. O diba, ganun po yun. Kasi dapat ang mga kahit anong lahi naman natin na dapat maging masili man tayo, mapagmahal man tayo, eh dapat sa isang tao na. One woman man at one man, ano yung tawag doon? Kaya nga, di ba? Kaya pag kayo nagmahal, ano, lalo sa mga foreign, ano, kayo, mga Pinay, beware. Pwede naman tayong kahit papaano sandali, eh,